coffee.
I'm trying the slide coffee. And this one is tiramisu latte. And guess what?
Type na kasi
Hirap akong kainin siya. So,
Sumunod
you know,
yan ng birthday ni
sobrang
Ruben.
first and last for the experience. Ipapahiwalay ko na next time yung cake. So guys, try nyo din. Ang hirap niya hanapin. And I'm with my bestie. And my new friend. I have a new friend, by the way. So, ayan, try nyo siya. Slide. Yung sa kanya, ay, uso pala, yung oats. Meron siyang oats kanina. Tapos, hazelnut latte. The matcha with oats. Kanina meron yan.
With cereal.
Yeah, with cereal. So, try nyo. Sarap siya. Layo lang. From me malayo. Sa kanila malapit.